Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Roblox Studio tutorial, I'll show you how to make an NPC that players can talk to. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully interactive NPC with a dialogue pop-up when players interact. Let's get started. First, let's create our NPC. Open Roblox Studio and insert a rig from the avatar builder. You can choose R6 or R15, both work fine. Once it's in the workspace, position it where you want players to find it, and rename it to NPC. Now we'll allow players to interact with the NPC. Inside the NPC's head, insert a proximity prompt. Change the action text to something like talk and adjust the hold duration if needed. This is what players will press to start the conversation. Next, we need a dialogue pop-up. Go to Starter Guy and create a screen guy. Inside it, add a frame and a text label for the NPC's dialogue. Set the frame size, position, and text so it looks clean and readable. Set text label color and increase text size. Inside Frame node, add text button, position it to bottom of the frame, and change it background color. Set text to close. Now select Frame node, scroll down, and find Visible Property. Set it to false. Now comes the fun part, scripting. Add a local script inside the screen guy. You can get this script under video description. This script will listen for the proximity prompt being triggered and then display the dialogue. You can easily customize the text, add multiple dialogue lines, or even choices later. Hit play and walk up to your NPC. Press the interaction key, and boom, your dialogue pops up. You now have an NPC that players can talk to in your game. If you want the text label fit and scale with the frame, go to Text Label Property and set Text Scaled to True. Reposition it to center of the frame. Now click play to test again. Click on the dialogue for Continue Talking, and click close to stop talking. And that's it. You've successfully created an interactive NPC with dialogue in Roblox Studio. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Roblox dev tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.